Good morning, everyone. It is Easter. This weekend vlog will be a little short because um, I deleted all my what do you call it, footage, because I needed space to edit the vlog from last week because I'm very productive. I definitely didn't wait until the weekend where I was trying to vlog to do it, and then I feel like I should have kept some of the other footage. I'm like, because I do record and edit on my phone, so everything like I do is on my phone. My rendering, my footage, my recording, which is very convenient. And I might do a video on my creative mode channel on how I do it. I think I will actually, but like I do everything on my phone, so I needed the space, so I deleted a lot of stuff because I'm like I need to make sure I have as much space as possible. And if I'm gonna delete some footage from this vlog, I might as well delete it all. But I really did want to save the sequence when I made breakfast yesterday. The sequence you see in this one is from today because everything's all Easter themed. I just cleaned up the front room or the kitchen dining room area and like set it up for Eastering. Kind of had to rush everything because I stayed in bed a little longer than I intended, and I ended up washing my daughter's hair and all that. Um, so yeah, I might go do my makeup so I can take Easter pictures with my little ones and my big one if he feels like it. To be honest, because he's been playing Destiny all weekend, like raids after raids after raids. So that's been like his focus, and I've been using that time to literally just do nothing except for like have my kids run around the room. But instead of like watching him play Resident Evil 4 or like us watch One Piece and try to catch up because we're catching up. It's thousands of episodes, but like we're catching up. So I don't know. There's no games that I'm interested in playing because Diablo 4 is not out. So I've just been chilling and doing other things. I will plant today. Today I'm going to be planting. That I was like, there's something else I want to do because yesterday I built my plant rack. So my thing cut off because I had 55 videos of edited and unedited footage from the last vlog, which is like a lot of footage. So I had to delete that, and now I have like 53 minutes to just record. So what was I saying? Okay, so I'm gonna go plant outside today because I set up my plant rack, and now I just gotta. I honestly don't know if the seeds I have still are like gonna work to plant. I don't know how long seeds last. I'm gonna look that up because I have them from last year, and hopefully it doesn't snow or anything because Colorado is just off the crack at all times. I'm at the part of Colorado where if it snows, it's not as bad as like Denver and all that. 'Cause Denver gets hit hard with everything. But anyway, I'm about to go do my makeup and stuff. I don't know where my husband went. He went in the garage. He probably went to go work out, which is fine. Um, I would also like to go work out. I kind of planned on doing it, and then I remembered it was Easter. I was like, I gotta do Easter stuff. I gotta prepare for Easter. So I'll just keep it easy for now. And then like tomorrow I'll work out. I'll make him a little plan because I'm gonna do full legs, like just straight glute exercises, and prepare him one, which will be less glute focused. I'll like give him my arms and legs, not like a just full leg day because the goal for him is not to get like double cheeked up on a Sunday morning. It is for him to like get just not that. That is just straight up not the goal. That's the goal for me, not him. So, yeah. What are you doing? Had some sticky baby panic. Not really panic. It just like her hands were so sticky. You ever get like your kid's hands is so sticky that they have like ball of sticky on it, and it's like, is that candy? Because it looks like boogers, and I don't like that. It's not very good. You saw I'm making the bed. Just in case she comes over here and takes a nap because she's been really chill all morning. Like, you know how they wake up and they're not quite awake? She's like been like that continuously. She's starting to liven up a little bit, but I'm sure she's gonna crash soon and then be fully energized after her nap. Hopefully. Okay, now I'm gonna do my face prep and then skin prep and then do my makeup. I already like washed my face and moisturized and everything, but I'm gonna do just a little more because my skin's feeling a little dry. Like, I don't know, just dry, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna start planting. We do a little planting, see if the chaos of the children allows me to do so. Also did my makeup. It looks really nice, especially in the sunlight. Here's my plant rack I built. Oh geez, you scared me.
You scared?
Alright, so I've successfully taken pictures for Easter this year. I don't remember if I did it last year. I think I did. I did some other... My leggings are up too high or something. Holiday last year. But my phone is on 25%. So I'm going to charge it while I start gardening. But you guys see my before basically. Oh, my diffuser turned off automatically. Suddenly I'm choking and I don't know why. Yeah, so I'm going to charge my phone and then get to planting. So you'll see my before and after, which is really just going to be a bunch of planters with just dirt in it because nothing's going to grow right now. I've just got seeds. Sure.
That's so funny.
I'm very tired, but I'm gonna do a crackhead thing, like make a drink that requires way more effort than I want it to. Let me elaborate. I know that. That's why I'm going to make it, and it's purple. I've never tried this flavor. Let's try it together, but not at the moment because I have to make it.
Yay.
Anyway, I made a couple of these kits. I've never tried the taro flavor, but I know that a lot of people like taro, so I'm gonna see if I like taro. You've never had taro. Taro is what makes it purple. It's like a vegetable and or fruit. I'm not sure.
Grape?
No, child. I will show you what it looks like. Hold on. Let's Google.
I got my tablet ready for me.
This is what taro is. It's a root vegetable. It makes it purple. Easter dinner has been made by my mom, like 100%. I didn't help at all because I didn't know what the hell was going on and I don't know how to Easter. So I'm going to show you plates after I make them. My phone is on 10%. I haven't charged it. Why? Because some people are psychopaths. Also, that taro milk tea was really good and I should have drank it all myself because this guy's not even drinking hers. He's over there eating bread. What a psychopath. Anyway, this is my plate. I didn't put a lot of roast because we're also having ham, which is still making. But this is ooey gooey. This is the greens bread, which I've already taken a bite of. Can you tell?
Yep.
That's actually a very small bite. And some yams. But I've also taken a bite of the roast. What?
It's a big red fat.
What?
A big red fat.
What? hi. I am listening to a podcast. I'm going to do some leg wet workouts. I'm not going to show you because my phone, again, is dying. I put it on the charger for like 2 hours. Apparently, it wasn't plugged up. So it didn't charge. Hi, little one. My children are chaosing. So, yeah, I just want to update you guys. This is probably the last clip. So, good night and happy
Good night.
Easter.
I love you.